Hi everyone, this is Professor Shashikant Pathak from National Institute of Education. Welcome to my series of short How to Learn videos. In this video, we will learn about how to solve problems and experiments. This is in continuation of my previous video on the same sort of problems. So let's get started with the first problem here, and that is I'm going to choose here something like 3x minus 5 to the power 3 by 2 is equal to 27. So let's solve for x. Solve for x. So we can rewrite this as here 3x minus 5 in the same way, and this is 3 by 2. But what I can do, I can put another bracket here and then put a power just opposite to this, just to cancel out these two powers. In order to do that, on the left hand side we need to do the same operation on the right hand side to make it equal. Now here 27, I have to find the factors of 27 first here. So let's see, 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, right? So 3. So basically it is 3 to the power 3 here. And let's go back here to solve this problem further here. So what I have here is 3x minus 5 again. But now the powers are multiplied, so it is 3 from that power, and then here I can rewrite it as 3 to the power 3 to the power 2 by 3. Now again I can get 3x minus 5 equal to, so let's write down in proper format now. So this is a cubic root of 3 to the power 3, so cubic root of 3 to the power 3, right? And then bracket, and then I have a square here. Further you solve it, so again 3x minus 5 same on the left hand side. Right hand side we have cubic root of 3 to the power 3 means 3 and 3 powers are cancelling, so we're getting 3 here, and then we have a square here which makes it equal to 3 into 3 means 9. So we have our equation resolved to 3x minus 5 equal to 9. So let's rewrite it here so that we get 3x minus 5 equal to 9. That means 3x is equal to 5 goes on this side, moves on this side, so it becomes 9 plus 5, and that gives you 14. So 3x is 14, so x is equal to 14 over 3, right? And that's your final answer. Okay, so let's choose the second one here, and so this is here 27, and then x to the power x minus 2. So basically 27 to the power x minus 2, and then I have here 1 upon 81, and this is to the power of x plus 3 here, x plus 3, right? So first of all here, because we have to do this later on, so let's do it in the beginning here. Let's find out the factors of 27 and 81. So 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, right? 3 times. And what about 81? 81 is again same way, 3 into 3 into 3, 27, and one more 3. So 4 times, right? So let's go back here and solve this one. So what I have here, 27 to the power x minus 2, I can write it as 3 to the power 3, right? And I can put a bracket, and then I can put x minus 2 here. And here on this side, what we can do, we can write it as 3 to the power 4, and then we can write this x plus 3 here, right? So further we solve it, we see that there is power to the power, so powers are multiplied in that case, so we get here 3 into x minus 2, and on the right hand side we can bring it in the numerator. So in that case, let's do it first here at the bottom right now, which is 3 to the power 4, and then 4 is multiplied to x plus 3 here, right? So this can further be written as 1 upon 3 to the power 4x minus, and plus actually plus 12. right? And here we have 3 to the power 3x minus 6, because I multiplied 3 into x and 3 into 2. So finally, in this left hand side, we have 3x minus 6, and the right hand side, if I bring it to the numerator, I get here 3 to the power, so it becomes minus. So when the minus minus goes to both, and then entire exponent becomes minus, right? Now we can compare the powers here because we have the same base on the both sides. So let's rewrite it here. So we have now 3x minus 6 is equal to minus 4x minus 12. So I can bring this 4x on this side, and I can take this 6 on this side. So what we get here, we get 3x plus 4x equal to minus 12, and then 6 goes on that side, so it becomes plus, right? So what we get on the right hand side, minus 6, and this side we have 7x. So x is equal to minus of 6 upon 7. So that's the final answer. Okay, so let's choose another problem here quickly, and this is number 3 in the series, and I'm going to choose here one with 8 to the power 3x, and then this is equal to 4 to the power 1 minus x, and again solve for x. So let's do factors here first. So 8 is, I know that we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2. Sorry, it's 2 into 2 into 2 here, so 3 times 2. And 4 of course is 2 into 2, so 2 to the power 2. So I can rewrite it as 2 to the power 3 here, and then I can put a bracket here, right? And 3x. And on the right hand side I can do it 2 to the power 2, and then bracket and 1 minus x. Now power to the powers are multiplied, so in this case left hand side will become 9x, and the right hand side will become 2 to the power 2 into 1 minus x. Now the base are the same, so we can compare powers. So when comparing powers, we can rewrite this as here as 9x equal to 2 into 1 minus x, right? Further we can solve it. So 9x is equal to 2 into minus 2x, and then this x can be transferred on this side, so that becomes 9x plus 2x equal to 2, and that is 11x equal to 2. So from this we get x equal to 2 upon 11, and that's the final answer. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for attention.